Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
Okay.
I'm in the middle of a burp.
Okay. Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And today we're making a dessert from our cookbook, which is the Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease Cookbook. It's called
Mango Magic
with raspberry sauce. And it's on page 250 if you're going to join us today. And it starts with 2 ripe mangoes.
Now, right now, at this time of year for us, we were able to get the champagne mangoes.
Say what time of year it is.
And right now it's spring. So
yes,
they are fabulous. But any mangoes work in this, absolutely any. These are a little smaller. And the thing about a mango, we've showed you before, but the mango has this skinnier side and it's got 2 cheeks. And I want to cut off each cheek. Then I'm going to cut one cheek and then the other. And then I'm going to pass this to Jane and ask her to peel around the side and get every little bit of mango she can. But in the meantime, I want to show you the coolest thing. This is my Tovolo. And this Tovolo is able...
We wish we were sponsored by Tovolo. We give them so much love.
We are able to take this mango like this, pull it right out of its little skin. And the thing about this is that when I do it with a knife, sometimes I get into the skin. And you know, mango skin, if you eat it, it can
For some people,
it's like giving you poison ivy. I mean, if you were to lick the mango skin, you get a poison ivy around your lips. So then I am going to cut this up into chunks just because it'll go a little better and dump it in here. And so you get all of this so nicely when you can do it.
If you don't have a Tovolo, just use a spoon.
Any knife, a spoon. I mean anyway.
Cut it with a knife, scrape it with a spoon. And I'm just cutting around the seed, the sort of the pit. It's the shape of a tongue. So you have to really kind of carve around the bits.
And I did a couple, just so that we're using 2.
2 ripe mangoes. We're using small ones, by the way. If you've got 2...
that's the outside edge of the second. So those are 2 mangoes in there. And we're going to add a 4th cup of oat milk
to the Cuisinart or the food processor or high-speed blender, whatever you're using.
And blend it up, Jane. And you just have to keep blending it until it is really nice and smooth. And then
wait, can you hear what she's saying?
Where's the spoon? Jane, the spoon to take it out with.
All right, so we're going to let it blend for a while, and maybe even on high speed.
Shall we stop?
Oh, there's more pieces we need to scrape down. If you have any extra little bits, scrape them down. Okay.
But it's really, really smooth. There was just a odd little piece.
What texture are we going for?
Smooth.
What kind of smooth?
Velvety smooth.
Velvety smooth. And what thickness?
Velvetly thick. Jane, let's do the raspberry sauce.
Velvety thick?
Let's do the raspberry sauce.
We have little pieces. Oh. You want all the pieces in.
I want occasional little piece. That's okay. That's good.
All right. So this is going to be, we're going to do the raspberry. Well, make sure, is it a good texture for you?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
It's velvety smooth and velvety texture. Okay, now we're going to do the raspberry bit, which requires about 4 ounces of raspberries. And frankly, I don't know how many ounces this is that we have here, but these were frozen.
The thing about it is you can put the frozen raspberries in anything and they'll eventually go. But because we didn't want to have you have to stay forever, we thawed them a little. We just left them out 10 minutes.
Yeah, and
we're gonna. And while she's doing,
is there anything else go in here? Or this just goes like this?
That's just that.
Oh my gosh! Here we go. So on. that. It just becomes liquid right away. Can you hear me, Wade?
If they were frozen, they would be like little ice balls for a while. But I need it frozen, so that's good. That's good.
Oh, that's good enough?
So what I'd like to do is I'd like to just take a little bit of this and put a little in the bottom of the dish.
That's
And
beautiful.
put a little in the bottom of the dish. And then fill both dishes with that.
Tell me when to stop. Oh, no, you kept the red in the top, Mommy. Oh.
Well, I just want a little.
What do you,
Little
you're,
Oh, I like it. You know what? It's
here,
cool. Don't, Jane.
oh, sorry.
Look, see?
I know,
It's
but
making
aren't you
it-
gonna put
Yeah.
that in there, though?
Which? Yeah,
That.
yeah. But let's fill this up. And that
Fraser's
goes on the
excited,
very.
too.
But you know what? Having a little raspberry on your spoon gives it that little. Can you see?
Little red ribbon.
Little red. Yeah, that was cool. And then,
Pro move there, Mommy.
and Jane, I remember you talking about putting the initial of whoever you were having for dinner
Oh, yeah,
on
yeah.
the top here.
So how do we put a W for Wade?
Oh, I put an A because that seemed like what I was starting.
I'm going to put a W because Wade is going to try this one.
Oh,
There you go. Can you see it up top there, Wade? Here comes your initials. Is
And
that
then-
an M for you or a W?
and then there's a little around the side. I mean, you could be. You know what? I like the idea of having a little
What is
raspberry on
that?
a spoon.
That looks like a Florida.
That's Ann for A.
Where's that an A? Is that an A to anybody out there? You know what? Actually, I hate to be. Can I
Let's
do
stir it.
Well, yeah, we were taught, and I don't know if you can see above here, Wade. Stay above. Is that we were taught to you can swirl it in, and it gives these beautiful designs.
Yeah, that would be the thing to do.
Kind of like a
In fact, I think I'm going to swirl Wade.
Hold on, Wade. Woo! Remember, now I have to go from the middle and then go out.
Oh, middle. Well, I went out.
Anyway,
Wait,
have fun with your designs.
wait.
I'm ready to try mine. I just had a taste of it. The raspberries have a sourness, and the mango has a sweetness. So together, they're really amazing.
That's why you don't
Actually,
want.
let's have
Oh,
Wade. You can taste.
I'm
your-
doing mine. I've messed mine totally up. But anyway, this is a really
Your thumb is covered. in red.
crazily delicious dessert.
Look at your spoon.
That takes
Taste that, Wade.
nothing but a mango and frozen raspberries. Two fruits together.
And a little oat milk.
Oh, a
it's
little
so
oat milk.
good.
And
It's just like a. It's just this tropical
oh my
gosh
gosh,
dessert. Did you?
it's that sweet.
You look at her spoon. Get her spoon.
I can drink it.
It's that. Oh, this is bliss.
My
Beautiful.
My,
I mean, this is really a plant perfect dessert.
no, what are these called?
Oh, you've got raspberry on your teeth, on your mouth, on your lips.
And I've got blowing up glands, whatever those are. All right, we're gonna continue with our mango magic, and look at look at your spoon.
So good. Oh, you know what? I did bring something.
Oh no.
Wait, Jane. One thing I brought.
Oh, look at this! Is such a mess.
I was at the Culinary Vegetable Institute, and I thought maybe
Oh my gosh, flowers again.
I could put. This is a cucumber flower that would be pretty on the top.
Thank you. Enjoy your mango magic, however you have it. Bye bye.